Okay, if you are thinking, Shazrin, that you had 2000 and the next day you had 1990 and then 1988, so you are right that the difference is not constant. How can we keep the difference constant?
by making a sequence of the what is lost. Like first day it's 10, the second day
Yeah,
it's 12.
that's the way to handle this. So rather than you take this as um, like you start from 2000, you say that you're going to start from 10. Okay, the very first day 10 liters are lost, the next day 12 liters are lost. Okay, let me make this as a series: 10 plus 12 plus 14 and so on. So that is how this leakage is going on. Okay, so um, yeah, how many liters will be lost on the 30th day? So that is, you will find the 30th term of the sequence. So that is going to be 10 plus 29 times 2. So this is 58 plus 10. 68 liters will be lost on the 30th day. The tank becomes empty during the nth day. Okay. So what is the sum of all this series? That is 2000. Because obviously the leakage has to go on until all the tank is empty. Okay, so that means this sum of the leakages should be equal to 2000, and then you put your formula here, that is n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 2000. So we have to find this n. This is 20 plus n minus 1 into 2. That is equal to 2000. So we have n into 20 plus 2n minus 2. That is equal to 4000. We have n into 2n plus 18. That is equal to 4000. I'm taking 2 common and dividing both the sides. N into n plus 9 equal to 2000. Now there is a blunder that the students make at this step. They think that either n is 2000 or n plus 9 is 2000. Can we do that? Please never do that. Whenever you're solving an equation, you make your equation bring all the terms to one side and you write them, all of them, they are equal to 0. So therefore, this becomes a quadratic equation: n squared plus 9n minus 2000, that is equal to 0. You apply the quadratic formula here quickly and tell me what are the two values of this n. Okay, so after solving this, maybe through the quadratic formula, we have two values of n. N cannot be negative, so you just ignore this. Okay, so which day is this when this tank is getting emptied? 41st day. This is happening on the 41st day because 40 days have gone. Suppose the question was that how many days and how many hours are taken for this tank to empty. So there is 40 days and you multiply zero point 0.4 with 24 because one day has 24 hours. Okay. Suppose if this was 40.5, then this could be 40 days and 12 hours because zero point 0.5 means half of the day. Okay. Anyhow, so your answer is going to be the 41st day. This is going to be emptied on the 41st day. Okay. Now it says assume instead the 10 liter of water are lost on the first day. Okay. So A is still 10. Uh, and the amount of water lost increases by 10% on each succeeding day. So how much water would be lost the next day? Hmm? Hmm? So can I say this is going to be 10 plus 11 plus 12.1 and so on? Because when 10% water is lost, that means if on the first day you lost 10, The next day you will be losing 110% of 10. Yes, Pacho? Because 10% more will be lost. So that is 110% of that 10. Okay, that is going to be 11. And on the third day, this will be 110% of 11. That will be 12.1. You got it, Bacho? So what is R then? R is 1.1. Okay, so your A is 10, your R is 1.1. Find what percentage of the original 2000 liters is left in the tank at the end of the 30th day. So you have to see that, yeah, should I find the water lost on 30th day, or should I find the total water lost up to the 30th day? Huh? So we should find the sum, okay? So let's find S30. देखिए, you must discuss this with me अगर आपको समझ नहीं लग रही तो. S30 would be, this is A into R is prime minus 1 over R minus 1. This is A is 10, 1.1 raised to power 30 minus 1 over 1.1 minus 1. Tell me what is this value? 1645 liters. Okay, so this much water has been lost. So how much water is left in the tank now? So the water left, so that is going to be 2000 minus 1645, and the percentage of the water is going to be this difference. ये कितना आता है? 355 over 2000 into 100%. That is 18% left after the 30th day. Okay?